Hey, good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Good afternoon. Oh man. I think it's funny. We got the taco. Trump says, I'm not going to extend. I'm not going to extend. All right, we're going to extend. We're not going to even put a date on it. Just whenever. Hey, Raj, how's it going? Good evening. Funny. Hey, Bob, how's it going? Oh man. So now there's no date on when the ceasefire is ending. So is it an indefinite ceasefire? Or what? Which means we got more of this stuff to deal with. All these headlines. I'm reading right now. Iran's military warns of powerful attack on predetermined targets in view of repeated threats by Trump. Vice President Vance trip to Pakistan will not be happening Tuesday. White House official. Yeah. Hey, Benjamin, what's up? Pakistan Prime Minister hope that both sides are able to conclude. Pakistan Prime Minister. So, well, let's see. Do we wake up tomorrow and find out that, hey, yes, indeed, we did have a meeting. So let's see. What's it going to be? Oh, hear a little bit of chirping going on. Little bit of chirping. Hey, look where he came up to so far tonight. Here's that minus development area I talked about in the 6 o'clock video or 5 o'clock video right here. Do we get a rejection from that area? We shall see. We have a little bit of liquidity up here on the ES. 7140 to 7143 ish. So let's see. I got that screen too big. That's something messed up. Where's my normal view? My normal view. Now, let's hope we don't have a repeat of last night. Green to red to green. Same thing today during the live stream. Oh, nice. Up 200. Nice. Yeah, we're going to be giving away another pretty account tonight. We'll see who's going to be the lucky winner out there. Who's it going to be? They're just chirping it. We have oil down 42 cents. Let's see. Oil's, I think, dropping here a little bit. Let's go look. Yeah, oil's trying to come down here a bit. Hey, Spaces, good evening. We're just scrolling through the news and stuff real quick. Let's see. Hey, good job on being up that $200. All right, let's see. We're gonna come back up here again, push through it maybe. Here's the high of the session right here on the NASDAQ. Up 175. From 4 o'clock till now, up 175. So we shall see. I'm just scrolling through looking at any news. We won't see much movement. I think that's fake. Look at, I'm scrolling through some of the news and stuff. Wow, some of the projectiles are huge. And I think it's funny. This thing sums it up good. It says, let's be precise about what just happened. Trump extended the ceasefire. Iran rejected the extension. Both sides are acting like the ceasefire is still in effect. Hey, Cheryl, what's up? Good evening. So do we have a ceasefire or not? That's nuts. Well, I'm going to see how this closed out today. How did Avis finish out for the day? Golly. Up another 17%. Closed off the high a little bit. Look, first wick that we've really seen on that move up. That's nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. So, Bitcoin's not moving much. It'll be interesting to see. I don't think we have any real economic news tomorrow either. Let's go look that up real quick. Don't think we have any news, any major news. Yeah, no major economic news for tomorrow. So we're going to be held hostage to the credit spread in car. Nice. We're going to be held hostage to any of the headline risk news out there. Iran, US, deal, no deal. Yeah, we do have Tesla tomorrow after the bell. Saying there's a big power struggle going on inside of Iran. IRGC generals and commanders are overruling Iranian officials in a power struggle that and want to strong arm Trump. Let's see. It's not a bad area. See, the regression channel is starting to face down. Do I dare? Where are we at? Yeah, we're up above the VWAPs right now. Yeah, taking your time, Atomic. Yeah, slow and steady will get you there. $50 away from pass. And then blow. Yeah, I've done that before too. I've done even worse than that. Let's see. I like this area if we're going to get a reaction back down. I do like that area. If we're going to get a reaction down. It's a big if. Work down through. So we got the view app at 773. Do I dare take a swing at it? We have liquidity up here at 850. 850 on liquidity up here. Need to breach 20,797. I don't know. I'm wondering if we're going to take out that session high or not. That session high right up here. And we could be set up a little ABC pattern up. Maybe. Something like this. Target 819. This could be just like a little double top too. We'll see if we break it. Does it break? Or do we pop it? Again, we have the ES, that minus development area on the ES. Screw it. Let's go. Let's go. All right. I said screw it. Let's get it. You see, we're starting to turn down that 1 minute. Kind of chased it down here a little bit too. Let's hope that we end up turning all the way down. So look, if we break 801, that invalidates any potential ABC pattern up. So I really want to see that 801 broken. Oh man. Nice. I'm jealous, Raj. You're going to beat me there. Maybe I should have stuck with the first thesis. Hey, Chris, how's it going? I'm chasing shorts all day. Yeah, I could have made some good money this afternoon, but I didn't trade. I had a rough time this morning. Sunny, warm weather. Yeah. It'll definitely be warm. Yeah, I've been fighting the markets a lot lately. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, that's what happens. Once we get down, we want to hurry and get it back, get it back, get it back. Yeah, it gets ugly. Last night you're down 700. Yeah. Last night I went in green to red on stream. My low water mark last night was like $800. I think I finished up like 400 and something, I think, last night. I really wouldn't mind going down all the way down the VWAP at 774. See right here on this chart here, all the way down to 774. Yeah, that'd make for a banger of a night. I'd be so happy. Yeah, tilt is the real thing. Once we go on tilt, all logic goes out the window. You look back after the fact, it's like, what the F was I doing? Needs to hurt him go down. There we go. Yeah, the builder account is only for, it was a 24. No, I think it was a core. Or maybe it was a rapid. No, it wasn't the builder. I think it was the rapid account. I think it was a rapid account. They only had it for 24 hours, the sale. They had it right before they launched the builder plan. The Pogo. Starting to push down. We just didn't get the follow through yet. What strategy do I utilize? I don't have a name for it. Hey, BK, good evening. It's a little bit of everything. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys. And gals, if you haven't yet. Huh. Yeah, see trade, make trade. 96 M&Q contracts. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Come on down. Keep it going. Oh, man. Apple is here with all the sports equipment. Oh, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'd love to hold this all the way down to 774. That would be the VWAP. Come on down. Let's get it. Yeah, nice stream mascot. This would be pretty great if it just melts on down there. Price is Right show. Oh, man. Hopefully it just keeps on coming down. But yeah, we do have a Purdy account we're going to be giving away tonight. Tonight. It bounces here, getting short. Well, hey, so on the ES, I like where we came into. I talked about this in the 5 o'clock video, this minus development area right here. See right there off the profile. So I'm hoping the NASDAQ would follow suit. NASDAQ was up here at the upper channel getting rejected down. Regression channel facing down. Could be an area where we bounce as we are at the lower channel right here. So we do got to be careful about that, but I want to give it a swing. Yeah, VWAP target. That's what I'm targeting, Raj. Mr. VWAP. All the way down here. Trying to front run it. So now it moved up to 775. Trying to get out at 78-ish. And maybe I'll jump out a little bit early, but we'll see if we make it. Again, we're only one headline away from the markets ripping right back up, too. Those headlines are pretty brutal. Yeah, I cooked at the end of the day. Yeah, they had a pretty good ripper after the close. I'm curious. Let's go look at Nikkei real quick. Mr. Nikkei, where are you at? 117. I'm trying to go back up too. I wonder if that's gonna pull the NASDAQ up. Probably should have closed. I was up 200 on that trade too. Might be overstaying my welcome here. It depends. You hate this PA. Why are we getting ready to rip? Hey, you know what? I didn't see this at the time. I was too busy scrolling around and scrolling through, looking for headlines about the ceasefire and whatnot. I took my eye off of it for a little bit. I didn't see that 9 count. I was looking at the market over here, but which is this chart, but not the 1 minute chart as well. Bull flag on the NQ, maybe. Hopefully not. Hopefully end up going back down. Always a 1 minute, man. Uh-oh. Jesse's long. Oh boy, oh boy. I hope we get that VWAP touch, but we might not. I was up 200 on the trade. I should have took it. Hey, Eddie, what's up? What did you miss? Nothing more than me being up $200 and not taking it. But we'll see. $26,795. Long, nice. Yeah, I should have taken my short off, but I did not. That's funny. I was a little bit disappointed that we got the ceasefire extension before the market, 4 or 5 o'clock. I was hoping we were going to get some news tonight about it. I gotta quit scrolling. I'm in the doom loop. Let's see. Where is we going? When I shorted it, we're up here at the upper regression channel near it. We're not anymore, and I'm looking for the VWAP retest. Was my idea. Not getting a fall through. We're just going back and forth, back and forth. Again, we had all that excitement come out. You guys missed it. It was a pretty good move. You look right here from, look at the low right there, straight up to the top of that wick. 240 something points. Hey, Geo Trades. Good evening. I won't say good morning. So we do have a point of control down here at 720. We have the VWAP at 775. So I like to see if we can get a little retracement down. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. We shall see. Where's that at? Right, the 5-day composite POC. Well, on the 4-hour chart, you can see we started forming a little consolidation up here. So last week, run. This week, we're just kind of consolidating right up in this area. So we'll see. I do think at some point this week, we probably hit that 478 level. At some point. But oh, they're gonna pop it up now. I'd be getting ready to run those highs. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Realized my hotkey wasn't working. Hotkey was not working. There we go. As we go. Hey Brian, what's up? What's up? So far we're just chopping, but what kind of makes me nervous about this trade, we do have the high of the day right here, right above my stop out. Don't like that. So I should. Market gave me a gift right down here. I did not take it. I could have got out for a little, I don't know, at least $200. At least 200. Was that more than that? Yeah, it's probably up 230-ish, 220, 215, something like that. But that's all good. Hey Jesse, are you still long NASDAQ? And if so, from what price? Let's see. Above 812, we go to all-time highs? Maybe. I'm hoping that ES is going to push down. If the ES pushes down, I think we pull back. Yes, we got that minus development area right here. We just barely nudged into it right there. Just enough to tap it. And it came back down a little bit, but not a whole lot. We did hit the point of control from today. Pretty much right there at the open. We hit it. Unlike the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has not taken out the point of control yet. $26,796. Might be getting ready to kill this trade. That stinks too. Being up 200 on it, didn't take it. Shame, shame, shame. It's what I get. Yeah, they're gonna punch that high. They're gonna punch the high. I'm not gonna sit through the hole, push through the highs. No, thank you. Might end up going long here. So look, we had the regression channel facing down. Now it's going sideways. We're trying to push up through here. We get to move back down towards the EMAs. I'll probably go long. Long for a push up through the highs. Screw it. Let's see if it'll fill me. I was going to wait for the EMAs, but I'm worried we might not get down there. So if we get on the EMAs, I'm going to add another one to it. Put 2 on. I'll leave my stop losses where they are. There we go. I think that puts me back at session highs. I think I was up 4 something before this stream, so now I'm up 5. So puts me back at session highs. So I guess we don't want the VWAP yet. See if we come to that second deviation band. Right now it's at 829. So you can see the ES is pushing that area. ES is pushing into it. Should have held on NQ and ES. Oh boy. We're not overbought yet, but I'm going to take a swing. Look for a little. We do have some liquidity up here on the NASDAQ. 850 and 860. And now we get short-term overbought and see the red. Oh, you guys aren't even on the right screen. Dang it. You see the red background right there? Yeah, straight was on sim. Hey, Jesse, be careful you don't get caught with hedging rules. Be careful about that. Yes, at NQ, you can get hit with hedging. Lose the account. Yeah, I'll say it could happen on accident, though. Trading 2 things at one time. Hey, Jonathan, so I chose the 5-day. I chose the 5-day on my Traded 5 funded accounts. Yeah, I'm not trading that full silver contract. Maybe Jesse wants some more of that silver. I want no parts of it. Not for me. Look, we broke through the session high right here. We should have come back and try to test it and then see if we're going to rip. We have a 9 count up here as well. That. You like to short a lot? You know, it might go higher. Think about it. Now the ceasefire has been extended. What could go wrong? I seen Iran was out there in the streets parading their missiles and stuff. It was like, oh boy. think this is, oh, maybe not. It says breaking news: the Iranian guard just took the Ayatollah hostage. Generals are blocking peace talks, putting their own negotiators hostage while the economy collapses. A coup is in the works. Yeah, we might have. But what I'm saying is they do it right as the ceasefire was set to expire. That's what I think is funny about it. Oh, Jesse says he's on. Let's see. Let's see if my headset's gonna work tonight. Did not charge it. Come on down. Hit my target, please, and thank you. See if we can get Jesse on. Couldn't even film my little target. All right, let's go see what Jesse has to say. All right, Jesse's with us at this moment.
What's up, everybody?
Maybe I'll bring my trade some good luck. On stream, I've had 1 loss, 1 win. Up for the night, and I am green, but
yeah, I had 2 nice trades, and then I realized one of them, that window in Ninja with the chart trader was on the Sim 101. Darn it! So the ES trade didn't count. It was like $300 too. Darn it! Oh well.
How much you have for the night?
142.50.
Nice.
I'm in a long again, so one of us is about to get run over.
Uh-oh. Hey, we can both make money. Just let it hit my target, and then it can go up and get your target.
I do have the bigger stop. Mine's 350. Yours is only 200, right?
Yeah. Well, I was already like almost there. Look, almost hit my target right here. I'm not going for much. Just a little blip. Just blip, 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 blip.
Almost got there. What's up, Pamela? Sods, Tony, Spaces, Chris the OG in the house. Good to see everybody.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh.
Targets filled. Maybe not good for you, but I want to go all the way down to the view app at 778.
I'm trying to.
Oh, crap.
Oh, boy, that's a little bit of heat. Jeez. What was I thinking? I was looking at levels. What was I thinking on NQ?
I want to get rich.
I was looking at 850 and 860 up above us where we've got that inventory for sale.
Hey, so we did a poll before you got on here. And the chat said in your brand new, freshly funded Take Profit Trader account, you should go ahead and trade silver tonight. Show us how it's done.
Hey, I think I'm lucky in the fact that they don't allow that right now, so we're good.
It's all right. Just break the rules. It'll be all right.
Sure.
Bob said he got out of his short and poof, it goes down. Hey, thanks, Bob. Thank you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Hey, Bob, what took you so long to get out of that short? Should have helped me out earlier. I was sweating it over here. It is funny how that works. You sit in a trade. As soon as you get out, goes right in your direction. Hate that.
Look at everybody talking about silver.
Hey, Frank, I appreciate that.
I'll trade micro silver if they allow it, but I don't think they allow it.
No, they don't allow any metals, I don't think, right now.
Actually, silver's not even moving tonight, so comparative. Gold's moving. NQ's got the highest number though, so let's go NQ.
Hey, Bob said you scared him when you said you were long.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Bob said, uh-oh. I'm scared. Hey, Bob, we have power in the numbers. If we just keep piling it on, it's got to go our way. Jesse's only one account.
Yeah, well, I'm taking some heat on this one. Woo-wee. I don't like that.
What's your entry price on it?
I'm not even going to say.
Well, it can't be any higher than 832.
No, it's not higher than 832. 75. I FOMO'd, but it wasn't that bad.
You're not moving your stop, are you?
No. Ooh, it's about to. Oh boy, that's gonna get ugly. That's about to get a little ugly.
I'll do you a solid here. I'm gonna go short in a second. We bounce back to the EMAs. I'm gonna go short for that VWAP again.
I'm gonna put on an ES. This time I'm in the correct account. So.
Are you long or short?
Long.
I'd really be careful trading two different ones. I hate to see you get dinged with the hedging.
Yeah, I mean, knock on wood, I've never had any of those like weird reversals or ghost orders. None of that's ever happened to me, so I think I'm all right.
I just FOMO'd in the short. So you're good. Helping you out.
I'm hoping it comes back up. I'm going to close the NQ and the ES at the same time and hopefully break even. They're both trying to push a little bit.
Trying to take a play out of my book.
No, I don't go both ways, Bob. I'm long on both. I would never hedge them against each other.
I don't know. I think he goes both ways. Just saying.
Ay. You guys are too much.
I really want that. ES closer to hitting the VWAP. ES VWAP's at 32. We're at 37. Nasdaq's at 78. I'd love to see a Nasdaq flush. I should have been patient. I said I was going to wait till the EMAs. I heard all the knocking and I jumped in like an idiot.
It might go. So Tony says, I just joined maybe 2 minutes ago. I have no idea what you guys are doing. Okay, we're trading futures contracts using NinjaTrader.
How do you see Tony before I do?
He's way up there.
Oh.
We missed it.
Oh, yeah.
So Tony, I mean, that's a pretty basic answer, but I assume that's what you were referring to.
Yeah, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Oh boy. Should have just held my short I had up here. It's a much better entry price. Crude oil is only down 19 cents.
Oh, okay.
Delta.
Trying to push, but I just heard Bookmap told me that was an absorption sellers. Ooh, they absorbed 94 contracts.
Look at the big delta.
Yeah, that's because there was 94 right there. So.
Oh yeah, I see it on Bookmap where it popped up.
Yeah, so if that's delta.
You see it right there.
Hold on, let's figure out. Was that stops? I think that was short stops.
No, you can't see stops.
No, stops are market orders, right? That would cause the absorption.
Yeah, but you can't. Yeah, I'm saying on Bookmap you can't see the resting stop order. You can see the absorption. Absorption can be part of it.
I see. Yeah, I see what you mean. There was a red line there. The liquidity was visible. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah. So those were long targets then, potentially.
Yeah, I hit close on my trade.
Or shorters that just wanted to get short right there.
Oh, that's bullcrap. I hit close like 3 ticks before my exit, and I got the full loss.
Oh. Slippage.
A little bit.
Okay, hold on. Remember what I said? I was going to close everything when everything was break even. Well, I'm up $40.
So you lied to us.
Famous last words. Hold.
Liar, pants on fire.
Hold, guys, or close it. I'm up $42, $72.
I say full port.
Add. Close both or hold both?
Add.
I was gonna try to hold to run the highs again, but I don't know if it's gonna go.
I'd close. Look, it was a bad trade, or I wouldn't say it was bad. It was bad in your book, I'm assuming, because you add the ES to try to make up for it.
Yeah, that's right.
So I got a chance to get out.
That's right. That is true.
Because if they both turn south on you, you're gonna be really upset.
Oh yeah. That is true. Let me, in fact, you know what? So the ES trade is up $50. Maybe I should close that one. Boy, ES is barely moving, huh?
ES is always a little bit slower at night.
All right, I'm closing the ES. I got $65 on ES, or $62.50 or whatever it was. Okay, NQ's still pushing.
Bob's saying
I'm
more
closing
pants.
it. All right. $302.50 on the night. I'm going to take a break because that was a silly trade. That I got lucky there. Woo.
How much up for the night?
302.50.
That's good.
Yeah. So ES saved my butt there. Because I took some heat on that one. I think I was down $250 on that NQ. Oh, look at that. Damn it.
I'm telling you, if you would have stayed in, it would have dropped.
If
you get out, it's gonna go right up.
If I would have stayed in, it would have dropped. It would have flushed 200 points.
It's funny how the market does that to us.
What's up, Pamela? Atomic. Corey. Just ain't right. Good to see you guys. Market's kind of slow, but we got some people hanging out. Raj says silver is calling. Hey, if somebody wants to look up whether or not it's officially allowed on TPT, I'll trade micro silver, not the full.
Yeah. You're not gonna make no real money with micros. You gotta do minis.
Oh, dude, it's worth the same as NQ per tick. Come on now.
Hey, look at that dip down at the open. I got it. Oh no, this is before the close. Silver went from. I wonder how big of a move that was, dollar wise.
That's insane. The P&L of that move, man.
Just click and find out, Atomic says. Come on, you gotta do us a solid. We gotta know, Jesse. Just
Atomic, that's what I did last night. No, you mean see if no, I'm not gonna blow my that's probably one of the rules where they'll just close the account and you're done. I ain't doing that.
I think they probably have it disabled, honestly, but I don't know. I'm not trying it.
I'm not gonna try it.
Yeah, hey Bob, we got the first push right here into it. And we'll see if we gotta push all the way through it or not.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna risk that, guys. I've had a hell of a last few months, so I'm just thankful to have a funded account at this point.
Wouldn't that be funny if you just did it just to see and you went, it ran up, you made like 20 grand on it?
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. And then they close the account and say you broke a rule. That's my luck.
I got smoke in the background? Oh man, I think my room's on fire. Fire!
Oh boy.
You can trade gold and lucid now? Yeah, gold's up 52 points right now. Or $52. Let's go see gold. Gold's just kind of grinding up here a little bit.
ES having a hard time getting past 71.40. Yeah, there's a strike on the let's see. I remember that number.
A bunch of Smurfs. Oh boy. I wonder if we're gonna go up that liquidity or if that's kind of the ceiling for tonight. 850-ish. We have that liquidity up here. 850, 860.
I don't know.
A lot of times at night we'll push away from that liquidity.
As far as like the NDX intraday stuff goes, we got GEX 2 way up at 918. I mean, that's way up there.
I didn't look so much at this afternoon. Look, we made it all the way down to 1 day minimum on the ES today. What about NASDAQ? NASDAQ bounced right off, put support down here today.
Man, I'm kicking myself. I should have held that long, darn it. But it's okay. It's okay for me during this, what do you call it? The buffer building process of the intraday trailing drawdown. I got to be real careful and take the green when I see it, you know?
Yep. and get the payouts. Payouts.
Yeah, I'm logged into Tradeovate right now, and my drawdown is exactly $4,500. So I've closed my trades very well tonight so far. Good.
Think about smacking this.
Actually, that's really good. I'm up $302, and my drawdown's exactly $4,500. So I haven't even lost a tick, apparently. Nice. You're thinking about smack. Oh, you smacked it.
Yeah.
Thinking about smacking this. By the time I switch back to the screen, he's already smacked it.
I really want that VWAP. VWAP now's at 782. I really want that VWAP bad. I'm a little bit concerned with the high of the day right above us. When I can see it, usually the market keeps trying to push there until it doesn't. We could have a little, oh, that's, yes. Dang it. We have it over here on the NASDAQ too, potentially. Could this be a little A to B equals C to D pattern down? As long as we don't break above here. Above 825, potential ABC pattern down. It only takes us to 801 though. Oh, hey Raj, he has $4,500 drawdown. But still not bad. Still not bad.
Yeah, it's a 150K account. But yeah. It wasn't looking like that earlier when I was taking that heat on that trade. I'm just surprised I was able to get out of both those trades without losing any slippage or ticks or anything. Like the drawdown says 4,500 exact.
Well, because you were up, that was your high account your account high watermark.
Yeah.
Because you got in the trade and you were down on it. The other one made enough to where your net was green.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it went in my favor. I mean, usually I'll lose a couple ticks. I mean, it's usually a few ticks less than whatever, but I'll take it.
Hey, call TPT and say, hey, you guys gave me way too much drawdown here. It should be a couple ticks less.
No, no, thank you. They might close my account.
They might.
Can't have that.
We might go rip the highs again. Might not be ready for that VWAP touch yet.
To be honest with you, I'm quite surprised it's been kind of slow.
Well, I mean, Trump tacoed before 5 o'clock.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, he said
we're
going to extend the ceasefire because Iran can't. They don't know who's going to come talk to who, and they're having inner battles right now, internal conflict.
Okay, because I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, and it looks like the market ripped when it reopened.
Raj said he took a short in gold. Come on, Mr. Market.
Wow, I'm just now noticing what happened this afternoon while I was at work.
The last 10 minutes, at 4:10 or something. It was crazy.
No, I just mean the middle of the day, just down, really hard. And then what the hell happened look at that 15-minute candle at 15:45, straight down. Whoa.
Well, that's when they started saying Iran's not going to come to the talks and this, that, and then.
Okay, and then Trump tacos and it rips all the way back up.
Yep.
Hey, some people lost some prop accounts during that. How many points is that?
A lot. Well, from the low to the high, it went up 240 something points on NASDAQ.
I'm looking at the ES chart and it's like 100. That's 100 points on ES.
No, the range wasn't even 100 points today.
I'm on the ES. Okay, so hold on. What am I looking at here? So 7,064 all the way up to 7,139.
It's like 52 points. 50 something points. Iran's just delaying the butt whooping.
Yeah, it's crazy. Let me look at the ES chart. Yeah, so same chart. Looks the same. Massive move. Holy cow.
I closed it.
Here in the sonar.
I feel like they want to rip it one more time. Rip the highs again. I really want that VWAP touch, but it's not ready yet.
Hey, what were you saying when I was eating dinner? Oh well, a snack, and I heard you talking about some coup or something that's forming in Iran. Was that fake news?
I don't know. No, that's what Jesse Waters said. I was scrolling through X, just looking for anything to do with what's going on over there.
Hmm.
Hmm. 10 p.m. open. I gotta go check on HSI too. See if I can hit target on this. At least make me back what I just lost in the last one. Come on.
You front running the high?
Yeah.
I've got my target just above the high at 34.
Hopefully we're both good.
Because usually it likes to rip through it just a bit. We'll see.
I
I wonder if I should just front run that liquidity up there at 50. Nah, I'm not going to look for that big of a move.
I was up to something on a trade earlier. Didn't take it. And it closing out for a small loss.
Mm.
I'll move my target a little bit more. Put it right near the high. So if it just ticks it, I'll be good.
I'm going to be pissed if it takes you out and then rejects before it gets to my 34.
I like how far away from the EMAs we are right now.
Yeah,
I feel like we're gonna pull back one more time before we hit it.
Mm-hmm. Yep, there it is. It's trying. Yep. Good call.
I should have just got out. I said, look, I should have got out and I could have re-entered right here.
Yeah.
Idiot.
Well, you can add one.
No, I don't want to do that. This thing might just keep melting down now. I don't want to
Yeah,
add
it
more.
might.
I still got that view app in the back of my head too.
Okay, so it pulled back to the 38.2. Oh, shoot. Okay, so there's that was a healthy touch of the 38.2 that time. There we go. So now let's see if it rejects it.
Healthy touch.
Yeah, before on that previous bar on my 12.6, it just barely wicked it, but now it actually went and touched it. So let's see.
Knew I should have got out. I even said we're way too far away from the EMAs. I should have got out.
Yeah, I was looking at that on your chart. Should have closed mine too. Buyers are trying to defend this higher low here on this swing point.
Not liking it.
Buyer's still in control as far as the volume pressure goes on Bookmap. I'm watching it close.
Yeah, mine. Oh, mine. For the price, it's skewed towards the bears.
Oh, for the price or the what do they call it? Price change?
It's at negative 60.
Yeah, that's because that little pullback there. But that's
I'm
about.
out.
It's got to be about over. You're out.
Yeah. I'm
This
out.
is where you add.
No, I'm not adding. Not doing. That gets ugly.
Yeah. So it wicked the 61.8.
That's fine.
And technically, it's still a couple ticks above that previous swing point. So it could still be a pullback, hopefully. John Webb says, try copper. It's fun like silver. Sure.
Yeah, I've never traded copper either.
No, me neither.
I think Bob has.
Every time I FOMO into a move, I find myself wishing I would have just waited for the pullback and got long from down here. I mean, this is a perfect long right down here.
I just wish I would have closed it. I was up. That's 2 trades tonight, and I even said we're way far away from the EMAs, but I didn't take it. I should have took it. Then if I would have got back in as we came down here, that little pullback wouldn't have been enough for me to get out. But
yeah. Frank says on the 15-minute we hit R1. Did we hit it? I don't think we hit any pivots yet today, have we? No, R1's way up there. Are you talking about regular trading hours? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I think we must have hit S1 too. NQ moved a lot. Oh, I'm looking at ES. I'm an idiot. Sorry. Well, hell, if NQ hit R1, it probably hit S1 also. Maybe even S2 towards the end of the day, way down there. Maybe.
I really want that friggin' VWAP. I really want that VWAP retest.
Where's Ronald? Am I missing a Ronald?
I don't see it either.
Stay broke. Welcome to futures trading, Ronald. Ronald, first day here. I don't see a Ronald. Ronald, do you have me blocked?
I think it's funny. It says the ceasefire with Iran will not be extended. They're showing Trump's message. Today.
What the heck? You're short? I'm just now seeing that you're short.
I just shorted.
Oh, I missed it.
Hey, it'll probably be good.
All right, there's Ronald. Nag. What's up, Nag? Sods. The swirlies in high school. Oh, boy.
It's gonna probably go
slow.
It's
It's kind of hanging here.
R4 right here, Camarilla pivots. Think a stack break, your P&L's going down. Yeah, mine too. Son of a biscuit. Hey, Frank, I think we're screwed.
Was Frank short too?
That's what he said. I feel like we're gonna bust the highs again. I really want that VWAP time. I think at some point we're gonna hit that VWAP again. Well, it'll be while we're on stream. I don't know. We'll do it before it stops me out. You're still in that same long, right?
Yeah, I'm still long. My target's 835. Actually, let me look at Bookmap and make sure I'm not gonna run into a brick wall. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that liquidity is at like 836 ish. I'm all right. I'm front running it. Actually, I'll pull it down to 34 just to be a little safer here. Let's see. Yeah, 834, my target.
Watch it go 833 and then
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
Apple's been short since 770. Ugh.
What's up, Alley Cat? Apple's short since 770. Wait, what?
He's getting his butt kicked, is what he's saying.
Oh, that's wait. Hopefully you're in micros. I think you mean 870. No, we haven't been to 870.
Yeah, 770.
Oh man, sorry, dude. I think Apple's standing in the sand pit saying, this ain't even real quicksand. Oh, I hate those trades when that happens to me. You closed it, Mike?
Yeah. Took a loss on it.
What's up, Marco? Why is it up here? Any news? Yeah, at the end of the day. Yeah, there was some news.
Just a Tuesday taco. Taco Tuesday.
Max Payne is 840 on for Frank. He added.
Max Payne's 840.
Hey Mike, how you liking that wireless charging pad, buddy?
I don't know.
I mean, you haven't had to plug your mouse in.
Well, I only plug it in once a week anyways. But I keep forgetting to put it on the pad when I go.
What the heck? You're not even using the pad as a mouse pad?
No, because I told you I have my other one. So my other one's kind of like laid over and I keep forgetting to put it where it'll charge at night.
I'd just rip that old one out of there.
No, I can't. I'm superstitious.
The keyboard doesn't need to be on a big old giant pad. Come on now.
Just saying.
Superstitious.
Yes.
I know if you were going to try my idea, you probably would wait for the weekend to do it, right?
No, I'll wait until I'm really losing a lot of money. And then I'm willing to change.
Cheryl. What's up, Eric?
Yeah,
There's Eric. Good to see you.
Eric, what's up?
Lone Wolf. Hey, remember that day we had like 3 lone wolves?
Vaguely. Can't believe we haven't taken out the high yet.
It's friggin' slow. I feel like I'm quieter than you. What the heck is going on here?
Feel like you're quieter?
I got my volume up. In my ears, I'm quieter than you. I don't know if it's coming across that way on the stream.
Nah, you're actually a little bit hotter than I am.
Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
You're like 1 dB louder. Pop says way quieter. Really? OBS shows his is -3. I'm at -4, -5. Just saying.
Yeah, I think he's just talking about the hotter comment.
Oh.
If hotter means louder, then I'm quieter. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate you, buddy.
I really want that view app touch. I really do. If we break the high, I'm probably going to take a swing at it.
Put a micro on to satisfy that craving.
I want it with the mini.
Oh, I guess he wasn't talking about that. Jesse is quieter. All right, well, whatever. We'll figure it out. Don't go short yet. Let me get out of my long first.
Well, I mean, if I go short, it'll help your long out.
Full port long, Jesse. No. Heck no. I'm going to try to keep this account around for, well, forever if I could. Frank says we're going to be stuck in this small range for a while. Well, that stinks because my entry's at the top of the range.
Oh, really?
Well, not quite. I'm being sarcastic a little bit here, but I wish I was long from the bottom of the range.
No, we have to buy high, sell higher, sell low, buy back even lower.
Yeah. Brian says until the New York Open? Nah, I bet you it moves tonight, later tonight. Probably about midnight Eastern. Maybe 12:30. It'll start moving. London market will get it moving.
Maybe. The Asia markets. And Nikkei is up 290. Wow. HSI is down. Look, HSI is down 333 points.
Really?
Yeah. Nikkei is up 297. Interesting. There we go.
There's a little pop. Come on. My target's at 834. Let me look at Bookmap here and make sure nothing's stepped in front of me. Oh, they pulled it. They did step in front of me, but they pulled it.
Yeah, they pulled it. I see that.
Yeah, at 835. Ah. That was the liquidity I was front running, so maybe I can push the target up a little bit. Nah, I'll just leave it.
Yeah, Rand says, for now, there is no negotiations. We will negotiate whenever the enemy accepts our conditions.
The enemy.
Oh, I think it's funny. Like,
why would the enemy accept your conditions?
No, I'm saying you're supposed to negotiate.
Yeah.
Like you're negotiating to come to an agreement.
Yeah.
Like,
If we accept your whatever, it's not a negotiation. Oh boy.
so I don't take out the high yet, huh? Hmm. Yeah, what if the real Iranians don't turn up? Well, that's the problem. They don't know who's really in control.
Hmm.
So
Tesla had earnings today?
tomorrow.
Oh, that's tomorrow, Eric.
Yeah. Tomorrow after the bell.
Rapid says Trump extends ceasefire until whenever Iran submits a proposal. That's a headline.
That's what moved the markets earlier to the like 410 or whatever. Like what the?
Come on, NQ, just get up there.
I know. I want to short it.
Yeah, let me out so Mike can short it, and then Apple and Frank can both get their fills. Let's go.
Hey, good night, Bob. What time is it? 10:22.
See you, Bob.
Man, trying to get me sucked into this.
Oh, look at that. They popped it right back up. That was weird. Yeah, that was like it snapped down and right back up. That was weird. Pretty fast. I've been up on this trade twice and I didn't take it yet. Not a lot, but let's see. Do we have where's the inventory for sell? 840, 850, and 860. Where's my target? I'm gonna move the target up a little bit. Why not?
Up?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna go to 37. Boy, it's just stuck right here at my entry though.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know.
Yeah, Mike was looking at that this morning on his main channel, Frank.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We were having a blast looking at that car chart.
Avis is nuts.
I don't even know what the hell car is.
It's Avis rental car.
Well, why would a rental car company be? This has got to be some kind of squeeze, right?
Only two people, two big groups own it or something. All right, I'm short again.
They must have caught somebody off sides and just, you know.
I hopefully they're not just, screaming bloody murder. Please just let me out. All the way down here from 100.
I mean, that's a huge move. I mean, there's what would make a rental car company worth that much? Come on.
Low float.
Yeah.
VWAP. Uh-oh. The noise stopped. Uh-oh. I did not want to see that. Stop.
Would you say you use the 2/1 on ES?
Yeah.
Change my ES chart to that just so I can see some price action. Otherwise, it's just like a flat line on my 6/3. There we go.
Yeah, I hope we get out a little bit more, but
Apple says flash some buys down there, Mike. Throw 50 contracts down there, pull the market to it.
not doing it. Not with these headline risks we have now. Can't do it.
Oil went vertical and came right back. What are you talking about today? Earlier today, Frank?
Hey,
right
earlier,
now it's
earlier it
doing-
did go up. Crude oil was up like $4 at one point today.
I
Right
see
there,
it.
it went rip, then right back down.
Yeah, right towards the end of right around 1600, man, it ripped up and then dropped way down. Jeez. Raj says dive time in gold and NQ. Oh, I hope not. I'm in an NQ long here. Sorry, Mike. I might get out of it too. I might just get out of the way here.
You know, it's gonna probably go up.
I probably shouldn't bet against Raj.
I think it's gonna go take out the highs, but
NQ has liquidity at the high. Not last time I looked. I'm not seeing nothing until 840.
hey, this is at least three trades I was up over $100 on. Not
Really?
doubt, yeah. Just not getting the follow through.
Yeah, there's just no follow through. I mean, earlier tonight the bigs were the moves were a little bigger, but it's kind of tightened up. Well, the ATR right now. Oh, so my indicator is saying the ATM I should be using is 150. It's about to switch down to don't trade. What that means, guys, is that I'd have to wait more than 5 minutes to get $150. Oof.
I'll stick these last two nights. Closed it. Should have got you.
Yeah, it got me.
How much did I put you up for the night now?
492.50.
I'm down.
Oh, bummer.
I've been up on 3 trades at least $100. One of them was up like 220-ish.
Yeah, that one was, you were up pretty big on that one.
That last one was just up 100 and something on. I just don't want to take the profits.
I think you and I both, many people, may be still suffering from the big, gigantic moves we've had over the last several weeks, you know? I mean, I know personally I've had many trades worth $800 or more, and I'm just a scalper, so I'm used to $300.
Hey, Tomic, you're doing better than I am. So he's only down 104, down 105. I don't believe we're gonna hit that liquidity up there.
Wait, you're only down 105, Mike?
Yeah, I mean, I was up 400 before though.
Okay, yeah, but that's not bad. Jeez. All right, good. You can get that back in one trade. Let's go.
It's still young.
Let's go.
I really want that VWAP touch. It's at 786 now. We're just not going down there. Is a problem.
Hey, stay broke. Yeah, I do. You know what's weird? I do see that red line that Bookmap just took out at the high, but that wasn't there a minute ago when I checked. The only liquidity above us was at 840. So what the heck? Did that just pop in? I don't know. That's weird.
Red line at the high tonight?
Yeah, so if you look between those two big bubbles on Bookmap right at the,
right here?
the high. Hold on, let me switch over to your screen. So
I don't see any red.
No, are you on is that NQ?
Yeah.
How's your time scale at the bottom? I've got mine set to every minute.
It's on every 2 minutes.
Yeah, mine's spread out.
Oh, you're talking about this right here, right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So see, there's a red line between those two bubbles.
Yeah. Okay, I see it.
But when I just checked a minute ago, that wasn't there.
Yeah, it just popped up really quick.
I don't know. Yeah.
Look, I was up almost 100 on this again.
I mean, what do you think about just taking it, waiting for a little pullback, get short again?
But then I'm not gonna hit the VWAP.
Well, if you keep getting short, you will. Okay, Eddie, good night. Sorry I missed you there.
Yeah, have a good night, Eddie. I'm just like scrolling around looking for things about Iran and the US and stuff. I think I've just about completed the internet so far tonight. I want 130 on it. 140. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Go ahead, take it. It's bouncing.
Not taking it yet.
Dude.
I didn't do a giveaway yet. We are going to be giving away a pretty account here shortly. What time is it? 10:33. Yeah, we'll be doing it shortly. I should have taken it. This will be the second $200 trade. If this turns into a loss, I'll be upset. It'll be all Jesse's fault.
Dude, I saw the buyers step in. I said, take it, but they gave up.
No, so. you said take your order and move it lower.
I'm pretty sure I didn't say that. I've been a nervous wreck tonight. I've been taking green every time I can. I'm scared of this intraday trailing drawdown on TPT when you go pro. Jesse trade silver. No, thank you. Let's see. Silver right now. Let me get my cursor up here. So silver right now is averaging 11 ticks per minute. And that's worth about $279 in P&L.
See, that's where it's at.
I mean, that's triple everything else.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. We're not making that anywhere else, so.
Nah, I ain't got the sporting equipment to do it. Tabs, yes. NASDAQ.
Man, is this gonna come all the way back on me again? So I'm gonna cry.
It did take out all those swings, all those swing points. So, well, 2 of them.
Whose side are you on, anyways?
Yours. I'm saying to the short side, it just broke those 2 previous lows over there.
Yeah, but now we're back above them.
Yeah, but it should reject off your moving averages here. Let's see. I'm
In
watching
the
volume.
MFF builder, I do not. But hey, let's go look real quick. That's a great question. Things that come out back on me. What's going on here? FAQ. Let's see what they say. Pricing, evaluation, policy, step by step. Transition to live. Let's see. Live account drawdown will be $2,000. They lost limit $1,000 either account. So if you go with the default, you get $2,000. If you go with the add-on, it's $1,500 drawdown. So I would assume that it's only gonna be $2,000 max, which is gonna be your drawdown, is what I would guess.
So if you have more than that, do they give it to you in a payout?
I doubt it.
Huh.
That's one for the prop firm. So you don't want to work on building that buffer too big. That's one thing you gotta be careful about. So I think it was Funded Ticks or one of the other prop firms. I was talking with somebody, and supposedly they weren't going to move them to live until 5 or 6 payouts, something like that. So he built the account up to $70-something thousand. Went to go request a payout. He put the payout request in. They said, "Oh, we're moving you to live." And they only moved you to live with 5,000.
Oh,
Yeah, $70,000.
that's shady.
That is jacked up.
Sorry, but that's just shady.
I think it was Funded Ticks, but I could be wrong. I think
You gotta.
that's who he said.
You know, if you're a business that wants to build a good reputation, you gotta give them a heads up at least.
They did. They said, welcome to your live account.
No.
Yeah, that was pretty messed up.
About $50,000 earlier, they should have said, "Hey, listen, stop trading. We're gonna review you. We're gonna move you to live."
I think it was Funded Ticks. I could be wrong. I could be wrong on that. Yeah, they're not even around anymore. I never traded with them at all, so.
They're the ones that came from Forex, right? They were funding pips, and then they opened up a futures prop firm called Funding Ticks, I think. Is that who you're talking about? I think so.
And at first
they
had really low prices.
Yeah, they seemed promising too because they were backed by the big legitimate Forex company. So I don't know.
Well, so I will say that they paid so when they left the space, they paid out everybody. They made everybody right. They did it the right way. They didn't just take the money and run. But you know what? Hey, it might have been Prop Shop, actually. I don't know if it was Funded Ticks or Prop Shop. It might have been, I don't know now. It wasn't my account, but it might have been Prop Shop too. I've heard some bad things from people from that one, but I can't remember because it wasn't my account, but I remember seeing it. And the guy showed me, he had screenshots. And he showed me his screenshots. I'm like, wow, that's really effed up. So, hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. That was pretty messed
see you,
up.
Chris. Good to see you.
Come on, just go down there and get my target, please, and thank you.
That's why it's so important to stick with the, the well-established firms like Tradeify, TPT.
I agree.
MFF, Perdia, even Lucid.
Lucid's pretty good too.
Basically, all the stuff that Mike's got a code for, that's the legit stuff, folks.
I'm always a little skeptical of trying a new firm out that just came about. Like, let's give it a little bit of time.
I don't think anybody will ever forget friggin' what was the FFF or
fast track trading.
Yeah, there you go. FTT.
Yeah, I got rug pulled with 20 accounts. Hey, but I told everybody, hey, it has all the red flags of a scam. Then the chat's like, oh, come on, we're getting paid. Finally, I'm like, all right, F it, I'll give it a try. I got the account. I'm like, wow, these rules are way easy. Let me get 20 of them. And then right when I was getting ready to submit a payout, they changed the payout rules where you couldn't withdraw into the buffer. You had to get above a buffer or something. So I was building that up, and then they rug pulled it.
Oh,
that was like, I can't remember. I had $4,000 or $5,000 invested in them. I lost. So
hey, Sods, even Lucid, I didn't mean it that way. I just meant I didn't want to forget and leave them out.
Yeah,
they're one of my favorites too.
Yeah, I will say Perdia's website, but Perdia's working on revamping their website. They know they have a problem with their website. They're working on getting that fixed, but that's going to take a while. But their rules I love their rules that they have. I just bought 3 accounts over the weekend with them. 3 100K instant funded accounts. I blew up my one I had before that. Son of a gun. Blew it up last week.
Mr. Game says it's hard to trade the slow market. Hey, I agree. I mean, I like trading the Asia market. I mean, I usually do pretty well. I mean, I'm up almost $500 tonight, but it's tough. It's tough when it's
you just full port and go to bed, wake up, and see all the money you make.
Oh, sure.
I did full port silver and go to bed.
Oh, silver. Yeah.
Right, either you're gonna wake up and you don't have an account, you get to buy a new one, or you're gonna have all kinds of money in that account. It's gonna be one of the two.
You wake up or down 100K.
Not true because you have a drawdown. They'll automatically stop you out in the funded accounts.
That's true. What's up, solo trader? I didn't see you sneak in there. Night trading. Yep.
I hope we just go down and hit that VWAP. VWAP's at 787. If we go down, I'm way front running that too right now. So if we can just get down there real quick.
I mean, that might take 3 hours. I say take your profit, man.
Whoa, calm down. Look, I see green right now, all right? I'm never going to get the big trade if I don't let it swing around a little bit. There we go. Are you done trading for the night, or are you still trading?
No, I'll trade if it picks up a little bit. Like, so remember, I'm 3 hours behind most of you guys, so I stay up later. If the market does start picking up later, I'll trade. But this is just too friggin' slow. It frustrates me.
It is. But I mean, you're up $500. That's not bad. So look, you make another 500 tomorrow. Yeah, almost half the buffer done.
Yeah. Mr. Games, which one trades faster at night in your opinion? Well, I don't need an opinion. I wrote an indicator that tells me all the instruments, their speed right now, and the P&L value of that speed. So I'll give you a rundown. So right now, you can expect an average of $75 a minute out of NQ, $41 out of ES, 17 out of RTY, 19 out of the YM, $152 per minute out of GC, that's gold, and a whopping $247 out of silver.
That's where we need to go. Silver it is.
No, silver's too dangerous.
How can you gauge? Hey,
So
hey, Rapid. So with a 9 count, I really don't want to trade 9 count by itself. I want something else to go along with it, ideally. So I don't want to just say, oh, we got a 9 count. All right, let me short it. I want to have something else. Maybe over here, we're coming in to being overbought, oversold on the Renko chart. Something. I want to see something else. We're coming up to a Fibonacci level. We're coming up to a volume profile level. I want to see something else. Yeah, usually you'll see a 9 count at the top of regression or the bottom, which that's another piece of confluence. Or if you see like a 9 count with let's say we have a 9 count right here, and it was above this one right here, and it was above the upper regression channel, and we had a big trade detector bubble as well. Oh yeah, I'd be all over that. Doesn't mean it'd work, but I would definitely be all over it.
Nine count at the bottom of the regression channel. Take a look at NQ. I don't see the 9 count on the NQ.
It's not working on bar 9 right now.
Okay.
So once that bar closes, as long as it doesn't close too high, it'll be a 9 count.
Yeah, there it's too high. It's gonna. Yeah, it might not be one. Let's see.
Can't close. If it closes at the top of that candle, it won't be a 9 count.
It's got 8 seconds. 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it a 9 count?
Yes.
All right.
Let's see right here. I have the regression channel, but is there anything else? Not really. And I like the fact that we have that VWAP still. I want that VWAP touch. I really want that VWAP test all the way down here at 787. Which I don't know if we're going to get it or not, but hey, so let's talk about the giveaway real quick. If you guys want a chance to win the Perdia 50K account, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. If you're signed up from the other channel in the morning, you're fine. You don't have to sign up again. If you're not on the email list and you win, you'll simply forfeit. So make sure you are signed up to the email list and your email is confirmed. I gotta get Nightbot all set up. We're gonna pick out some winners from the chat and put them all in duck race and see who's got the fastest duck out there.
Hey, Mike, before you do that, could you paste a link real quick to your main channel? Solo Trader. Mike's been streaming for years. This is his secondary channel. A couple days a week, we come on here and just hang out. It's a little more casual. But on his main channel, every morning he does a great pre-market show, and he trades NQ and ES during the New York session. So make sure you're subscribed over there too. There's the link right there.
Yep.
He's been streaming for years. Mr. Lumps. It's not growth hormone. It's research. What do they call it? Research chemicals. They're lumps. Oh, man. Hey, I'm waiting for the day when Mike does a 100K straight to funded Perdia giveaway. That's when I'm going to enter my duck, my very special duck in the race.
I just did one last night.
What?
Yep.
How did I miss that?
I don't know.
Straight to funded 100K? You're messing with me.
Yeah, it was all imaginary ducks. The account we're going to give away today is going to be the 50K EOD account. So let me pull that up real quick. If you guys want to check out Perdia, link in the description box down below. But here's the accounts that I bought for myself on Sunday. It's going to be these ones right here. Kind of expensive, but I like the rules. $3,000 EOD drawdown, and the profit target's only $3,000. So 1-to-1. Crazy good. And then from day one, once you're in a funded account, you can start taking payouts. So on day 11, you could start getting payouts technically. And take payouts every day after that. You can trade news, you can DCA, you can scalp, you can run bots if you want. So it's pretty good. You guys keep talking about this solar guy. I don't see him in my chat. I don't know how you guys see him. Hey, Randy, what's up? All right, let me get the ducks. So I got Nightbot situated. Where is the ducklings at? Yeah, just delete the window.
Let's see.
Oh, man, I really want this view app. I'm a little scared we might pop back up. I really want it. I really want to hold it. Got a little bear flag-ish looking pattern. If we break down again, it's kind of wedging down. One little breakdown, I might have to close it if we break. I might.
I'm just saying, I would feel more comfortable if you closed it now and then focused on the giveaway.
I hear full port.
Yeah, if that's the translation you heard, sure.
I'll be in Costa Rica and the Straits of Hormuz opens. I've almost got trapped over in Costa Rica twice now. One time they had problems with the airlines, the wires or something, some recall on the wires. And my flight was no longer available. I was like, oh boy, this could be good. I'm out of money already. Out of money and I'm stuck in a strange country.
What's up, Cheesy? What's up, Eric's?
Oh, hey, solo trader. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get out the key phrase. Remember, you gotta be signed up to the email list and your email must be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. Let's not have no forfeitures. All right, so let's do this real quick. Ooh, I forgot one step. I gotta pull up the email list myself.
Quack, quack, quack.
Let's see, who's got the fastest duck out there? All right. All right, I'm dropping the code in 3, 2, 1. Type this code into the chat. And let's see whose ducks are going to be in the race.
Yeah, you might want to copy and paste
Oh,
it multiple.
dang it.
Keep it going.
I think I just screwed somebody out of it. I need to watch. Dang it. Hey, Jesse, can you rewind it and see who I picked first?
Yep.
Because I double clicked the mouse. I just screwed somebody out of a win.
No problem.
Actually, you might not be able to rewind it. Hold
Nope,
on.
I can't.
Hey, refresh now. You should be able to rewind it.
All right.
I'll still let this person be the second winner, but I don't want to jip the first one, whoever that was. I didn't see the name.
Okay. The first one was Doug S. Doug S 8260.
All right. Doug S 8260. All right. All right. Let's pick the next contestant. Oh yeah, I see right there. I should just copy that. Oh yeah, it says winner right there. Duh, look. Already shows. It shows where he got picked.
Oh, okay, cool.
I didn't even know that was a thing. Learn something new every day.
Yeah, it looks like it keeps a list of all the ones that got picked. Huh.
I didn't realize
that's
that.
cool.
All right.
Makes it easier.
Oh, at least I can see, like, if I miss a name, like I just did.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's see. Number 4 is Sods.
Sods is in.
Uh-oh. I'm closing. I got scared. I didn't want another red trade. Did not want another red trade.
Well, that one was at least green, right?
Yeah, 170.
Okay, good. Thank goodness.
All right, Frank, you have a spot in the duck race. What is up? Browser. Let's see. That's 5. Let's see number 6. That stupid window is popping up. Next one is Stay Broke.
Stay broke.
I still want that view app touch. Bounce back up. I might smack it again. Just saying. 3 more. Raj is in the duck race. Oh, man.
Raj.
All right. Last but not least. Oh, I think you're already in the race. Yeah, we got to pick again. Last but not least. Brrr, boom. Sam. Sam is in the duck race.
All right. Congratulations to all the participants.
Let's see who's got what it takes to win the nightly duck race.
Yeah.
It's not all it's quacked up to be.
Okay, we can turn off the DVR. You guys can stop putting in the code. We're good. Let's go.
All right. What number do you guys think is going to win? Who's going to be the lucky winner of the 50K Purdy account?
I'll know about 20 seconds in. I'm going to make my guess.
Quack. Oh, we got Trump in the race. Taco. Taco's trying to win. Quack. Quack. Uh-oh, Raj is in the lead. Raj, you're probably not going to win. I'm just saying.
I don't know yet. It's too tight. I don't know.
It'd be funny if Raj just keeps going.
I like that pink duck. Stay broke.
Stay broke. Let's see.
I also like Loft. What number is
Raj
that?
just hit
Number
a
3?
little. I don't know. He might
there it
slingshot out
goes.
though.
Oh,
Yeah, can he
Raj.
slingshot out? I don't know. Oh, the pink dunk might get it. Is Stay broke gonna get it? Raj came charging back. Raj still came charging back.
Oh.
So Raj came charging back.
Congratulations. I called it. I can't believe it. Do I get something for calling it?
Yes. Good job, Jesse. Good job. Woo. Good job. Hey, Stay broke. What's the first 3 letters of your email? Let's see. Raj is coming back. I almost wonder if the race would have been longer if Raj would have been able to get it out.
Yeah, that was a nice comeback.
That was a good one. All right, let's see. Nope. Let's see. Huh. All right. Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, you stupid NASDAQ. Are you going to go down there? Are you serious? Hey, Stay broke. If you can email me back. Oh, actually, why work on this? I need you to do me a favor as well. Let me see. Hey, Stay broke. Hey, click on this link and go just sign up for a Purdy account. Don't buy anything. Just create an account so they have your email and stuff on file. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard to get the giveaway to you. There we go. I gotta see what number this is.
Hey, Noi, yes, you're supposed to spam the code. The more times you type it in there, the better the chances are you get picked by Nightbot to be in the race. Bobby says, what made crypto move? I don't know. I don't trade crypto. I only trade futures.
I don't know, but I'm gonna look at crypto here in a second. Just kind of curious.
Frank says, wait. Frank was trying to get you to wait on the starting line. He had to put racing fuel in his duck. That's funny. We were talking about high octane fuels last night, weren't we?
Was it last night or this morning?
Oh, yeah. When was that?
I don't know, man. My days just run together.
I think that was last night because we had an Aussie in here talking about 98 octane.
Yeah, you're right. I think it was.
Yeah.
Who's... email. Nice. There we go. Hey, stay broke. I just emailed you. So after you fill out that account with Perdia, send that stuff back to me and I can forward it to my contact over at Perdia. Thomas says, I was trying. Dang it, I could have stayed in that. Why'd you talk me out of that trade, Jesse? You owe me the difference.
No, you heard it ripping and you closed it.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I had you in my head, though. You're like, get out, get out.
Well, if you didn't get out, it would have ripped all the way back up to the
Hey, we're
high.
not talking about that, though. When we talk about the narrative that fits my story. Let's go look. I want to see crypto real quick. I really think we're going to go down to that VWAP. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is getting it tonight. Bitcoin's up 1,800.
Wow.
Interesting.
That was a good race. Congrats to all the participants. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. Mike's live stream in the morning. He's going to do that.
I have had
again.
some good feedback from some of the people I have already passed or taken the Pretty accounts. I've had quite a few people already pass them.
Nice.
Yeah. We've given away, this will be the 11th Pretty account I've given away, and there's been at least 2 or 3 people I think that's passed.
Wow. That's good.
That has responded back to me. Some people don't ever talk to me again. Well, that's all good. Hey, Raj, I was rooting for you. I was rooting for Raj. Want to see his duck just
Hey, you almost came back. That was crazy.
send him off with a good Costa Rica trip. Hey, Raj, you have to send me some pictures when you go over there. Oh, I'm supposed to look at a camera. Another camera. Son of a gun. You gotta find that guy's video again. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, this is not a MACD. This is a Delta indicator. Rebranded MACD. That's funny. But I do use MACD sometimes too, but that's not what this is. It's a Delta indicator. I did not code it. Got off the ecosystem. So.
Yeah, that's the IR Delta momentum, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get that on NinjaTrader's ecosystem. Speaking of MACD, I'll never forget your story about that when you back when.
Dude,
you
I was
first got
100% convinced. I didn't make no money because it was MACD. I read it in the book. So I got Telecharts 2000. Had all kinds of indicators. It was funny. Like I had all these indicators, a little bit for price, just enough so I could see price a little bit. And yeah, I didn't make no more money. I just kept losing. It's kind of funny when you think about it, but you know, the entry is not really where you make the money, because tonight's a prime example. I was up 2 or 3 trades. I was up on at least $100. I didn't take it, and it turned out for a loss. So we could add another $200 or $300 to the P&L if I had taken those profits. Hey, Apple.
Yeah.
Hey, Jesse, how do we meet?
We met through a couple mutual. We met first of all through trading through a couple mutual friends.
He used to come to actually the nightly streams.
Yeah, back when you used to stream at night. This was like 4 years ago ish.
Probably.
I first met Mike in well, when was that? I don't remember, but it's been a long time. But we met through trading and his stream on YouTube back when he used to stream at night.
Yeah, I've met a lot of really good people offline, actually.
Offline or online?
From whatever. Stop it.
Usually you meet the weirdos offline.
Yeah, online. I mean, from people from online, I have not had any bad experiences.
Solo, yeah. That's me, sir.
Man, good thing that Jesse told me to get out of that trade.
Yeah, I told you.
You just said you didn't tell me. You just said. Now you're taking credit for it. What's up with that?
I told you to get out of that bad boy. That was a nice close. Yeah, Bob, he was here earlier. He went to bed. He's a few hours ahead of me.
I'm a few hours ahead of him. I'm an hour ahead of him, I think.
Oh, yeah, I guess that depends on where he's at right now. He's a nomad, right? He gets around.
I think he's in Louisiana, but I could be wrong.
But John, too, those guys are doing good. Doing their thing. Lots of work. Busy season.
I think I would just quit.
Atomic? Best trade of the night. Bottom ticked that one for 200.
Nice. Good deal.
Good job.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't know. Oh, I gotta wait. I gotta get the email so I can forward it to. Oh, there we go. Wow, I was slacking. Slacker. Forward to my contact. Hey, so stay broke. You look out for an email from Henry over at Perdia.
Let's go, Henry.
So he'll.
Solo, no, I don't think you missed an announcement. Although Bob and John both talked about the how the busy season was coming, and I can't possibly trade. I don't know how Mike or anybody does it. I can't stream by myself.
You could.
I'd go crazy.
It's harder.
So, and it's a busy season for me too. So, just kind of fell apart. Plus, it's hard staying up late every night like that. Woo!
Tell me about it.
Again, I don't know how Mike does it. Hardest working guy in the business.
Joker keeps me up all hours of the night. He's like, oh, it's only 11 o'clock here. It's like, so. All right, set the information for the winner. Nice. I really want to short this. I really want to short the NASDAQ.
I'm pretty excited to join all you guys on this Perdia thing.
I'm liking my accounts. I'm upset I blew up my other one I had.
Hey, Raj, he's done that. He hasn't called, but there's been several times I wake up at 5 a.m. my time to my phone going bzz, bzz, bzz. And it's Mike texting me. I think he sometimes forgets.
No, I don't forget. I just realized I was like, this phone's probably on silent. I'll forget. I got ADD. It's like, if I don't say it out right now, it's that thought's gone.
Oh, that's happened too. He's like, he's texting me, hey, get in touch with me when you wake up. I got a story for you. So I get in touch with him. He goes, oh, I forgot.
That is what it is. But all right, I think I'm going to jump off. I mean, unless you're going to trade, Jesse. I'm not going to trade no more. Otherwise, I'm going to end up shorting this. Then I'm going to end up being red, and then I'm going to be upset. I'm going to cry.
Hey, there's STFU from this morning.
Oh, man. This morning or last night?
I think that was this morning. What's up, dude?
I don't know. I think it was last night.
Was it last night?
I don't know. My days just run together. It's just one big day.
That time frame on the left is the 1 minute chart.
Correct. I have the regression at 55 and 3 on the Ninja Trader regression channel.
Yeah, so the period's 55 and the standard deviation is set to 3.
Yep.
Okay. Or what do they call it? The width. The width is set to 3. That's right.
Hey, Atomic, have a good night. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm good too. It's not gonna speed up again for at least another half an hour.
As soon as we sign off. I used to it all the time at night. When I used to get off like around 10. I get off and like, you son of a.
Yeah.
That's the move I was looking for.
It's too slow though.
Hey Sam, have a good night. Solo trader, good night.
Yeah.
So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Up, down, sideways, all around. Deal, no deal, ceasefire. Nope, no more ceasefire. I'm not gonna extend the ceasefire. All right, we're gonna extend it indefinitely.
Yeah, I mean it's Wednesday, and isn't somebody's on their way over there or landed there today or something?
No, they called it off.
Oh, geez.
I know I seen articles earlier saying Vance is on the way. Then it was Vance has been delayed. Vance is no longer going.
Who knows? Well, we'll see in the morning, guys. So, hey, yeah, thanks for having me again, Mike. It's a pleasure hanging out with all you guys.
All right. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow morning on the live stream. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good night.